my channel. My name is Asha. You're on Ageologs. So today we are here actually to celebrate Shuddhi, and so we'll talk more about it. But I would like to start with Amrita. So
Yeah.
the questions are not about Shuddhi, but about the journey that has been, that where you were, how you started off, and where you are now. So my first question. Did you always wanted to be an actor, or it happened by chance?
Um, it's neither actually. It's not by chance, or neither was it my dream to become an actor. There was just an ad on like in the newspapers for a anchoring course, like anchoring and RJing course that my dad saw, and my dad was like, "Why don't you try it? I want you to become like who's that guy, the cricket anchor, Harsha Bhogle, is
Mandiradru?
it? Yeah,
I don't know.
no, Harsha Bhogle, yeah. So I
Okay.
wanted to become like Harsha Bhogle, and I'm like, okay, let me give it a shot. And that's when it started. So once I did that, I started getting calls for, like the TV serials, and that's how it started. Otherwise, it was never my dream or anything of that sort. And when I was in my post graduation, I kind of stopped acting because I got really busy with my projects and studies and things like that. And only like after I think 2 to 3 years after that is when Shuddhi happened. So Shuddhi was my comeback. Kind. Yeah.
Okay. So my next question is to Shashank. I know you are a doctor, and then you left that thing and you became an actor. Now you are an actor. You wanted people to see you as an actor, right? So the question is, after you graduated, till the time you got your first break, that journey, how bitter was it? How memorable was it? I mean, most of them have a struggling period. I'm assuming that was your struggling period. Can you tell me your your journey associated in that period?
Well, frankly speaking, I'm struggling still. This,
We are all struggling.
you
Yeah.
know, I'll see what everybody's struggling till you keep getting work consistently,
Mm.
the kind of work you want to do. Otherwise, it's still a struggle. Today, I mean, I would say, yes, maybe a lot of people know me, like Kannadigas who've seen my work, but that doesn't guarantee you work. And and then there's also the kind of work you want to do. So you're already cutting off half the work because you don't want to do a lot of work. And then, it's that shows, where our industry stands today. I think, if professionals like me, I'm sure there are quite a few, if you're not able to get work consistently, even though your work has been appreciated, then then it's not really a fair industry, I would say, you know.
Yeah.
So otherwise, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I feel the struggle now is even more harder, because whatever happened earlier, it's over.
Mm.
I don't like to dwell in the past, nor do I like to dwell in whatever little success or, recognition I got earlier. In the end, you're only as good as your last piece of work. And that's been a while. So, you know, whereas my journey, obviously, since I didn't graduate, by the way, I'm still a student of MS Ramaya Dental
Oh
College.
wow, I didn't know
So
that. Sorry.
that's another reason why you can't call me a doctor. I'm a student still means I quit during my internship.
Got it. Yeah.
I kind of had a tiff with my professor, and I used to hate that professor actually. But now I'm like, what is the point? I mean, I'm glad actually she fought with me, because otherwise I wouldn't have left. I just walked out of the department and then I didn't tell anybody at home, obviously. I said I'm taking a break to study for my PG. That is the regular thing. PG ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
Right.
So everybody was doing it, so I said I'm also doing it. Of course, I did not go to study, you know. And of course, kind of coming from the kind of society we all come from, there's when ಹುಡುಗರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ when you're boys, no, you always get this extra advantage in this.
Yeah, true.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇಟ್ರಿಯಾರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್. I could say I'm studying in the library till late in the night, but I was not. You know, so that I would say, because now when I look back and think about my sister also, she could have got better. You know, she could have also done other things, not acting. I'm saying whatever she wanted to.
Yeah.
But you know, it was restricted for her being a girl. Even though my parents are not conservative at all,
Yeah.
I'm saying there is still
I
that
know.
difference. So, you know, when I think about all this, what is the struggle then? You know, you have an upmanship in this society. I guess now I've become more, I don't know, you call it philosophical or whatever it is. But when you think about it, it's nothing. You can't call it a struggle. It's
Do you feel that you got your break, or you still are not satisfied with the break that you got? Where do you stand on that?
See, every time I've got a break, whether it's a play with some big director, even when I was doing only theater, and then when it came to TV, when it came to film, I always used to think, oh, this is the break, this is the break, this is the break, this is the one. But, you know, I've always been satisfied when that happened then. But then I always want more, and that's human nature, no?
Yeah.
To want more, you know, and it's not, it's, see, this kind of greed is not materialistic greed. This is, I would say, creative,
An
spiritual
artistic greed, is it?
Yeah, it's like spiritual greed, you know, like why I say spiritual is now you've been doing this for so long, like whatever, any of you, whatever jobs you've been doing, at some point, you know, when you're satisfied with the money and other things, then you want to do something else which is special, something which is giving back. You know, and for me that is making good cinema, especially making good Kannada cinema, or being part of good Kannada cinema is my greed.
So when you said that, I have another question. You were saying that, are you only looking at Kannada movies? Did you get offers from other industry, or you
Well, I haven't
first?
really tried, but the last 2-3 years I've been going to Bombay
Okay.
and been giving auditions. There it's a much more organized industry. There is a casting director. Even the biggest of casting directors I have through my friends in Bombay who are already working. I got their contacts. I messaged them. They call you back. In Kannada, recently only, just before Corona, Adi knows some young director who's also a producer now. I saw the audition. Adarsh, I asked him. He said, yeah, it sounds good and all. So I called. And I called the director. He's producing another film. And I said, you know, he said, ನಾನು ಈ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So can I audition? He said, send me your photos. I said, okay. Film links ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀಯ and response ಇಲ್ಲ. No courtesy message also.
Yeah, that's a sad thing. You will be having so much of hopes, you know, waiting for an answer. Even if it is a no, they should tell us that it's a no, it doesn't work out, we're looking for something else, but they won't tell that. I know. I get what you are.
No, I'm thinking, what else should I do more? So maybe I should I do like a Salman Khan movie or whatever? I don't know, with some big star, or should I, you know, I don't know.
Yeah. So now, Adarsh, I know as a new director, you might have got a lot of struggles. Okay, so the struggle as a new director and the struggles even now. So what is the difference? I know you're still struggling. So what is the difference between that struggle and this struggle? What has changed in the pattern?
I think, I mean, when you talk about my first film, it's not really, I can't say it was a struggle for sure. And it was very tiring, and there was a lot of delay in the film release. I mean, everyone knows about it. I mean, Amrita and Shashank and all of the team knows what happened. So that was, I don't know. I mean, I just wanted the film to see the light of the day. That was the only thing that kept me going, and somehow that happened. But now it is, I mean, I would say more than struggle, I would say the biggest regret was my second film. what happened with my second film. Once again, after all the hype and all the expectations that was there on the second film, Bhinna, because of Shuddhi, uh, I mean, the film was supposed to see a theatrical release, and the producer decided to go for a direct OTT release. So that is a kind of a big regret. I would never, I can never get over it. Even now, I think of it and something. I mean, it's not just about me. I mean, if you think about the actors, there is Shashank, there is Siddharth Madhyamika, who was also been in the industry for so long. He's also, a theater actor. There is Payal, who was the main lead in the film, who's, this was like a launch for her. And then there is Soumya Jaganmurthy, who's done such a good, character in the film. So all of them were, I'm sure they would have got their dues if this film had come to theater and if it had done well. Definitely, that would have happened, along with me as well. And there were so many technicians who worked on the film. So I think now the struggle is a little more, what do I say? It's more of a regret, why did this happen? Instead of putting all the effort and being so honest about the work and all, why would this happen? So it's more about that. Even today, see, it's been about 3.5 years, we're still talking about Shuddhi. But that's not going to happen with Bhinna. I know that because many people who have seen Shuddhi, they don't even know about the second film Bhinna because it did not come to theaters. That's the way the industry works.
And what is the reason of not being in the theaters? Because you didn't get enough.
It was more of a business decision by the producers. I mean, they got a profit, and they didn't want to take the risk of putting the film out in theaters and wait for the money to, for the profits and all that. So yeah, that was. I mean, it was not like it was a business. It was a commercial success, Bhinna, because they got almost twice the money what they spent on the film and all that. But for me, it's not about money. It has never been about money. I mean, I know I'm not being like, I'm not just saying it for the sake of it. For me, I know at some point, money will come. That it's not about money. I never did both the films for money. For me, it was more about, telling these stories. And I know at some point, when things work out, I don't have to go behind success or fame or money. It'll come to me. So I did not get that. I did not get, what do I say, like the recognition that not just me, once again, my actors, all of us, we expected a lot more from the film than what we got from Bhinna. So yeah, I'm still living with that regret, is what I can say. And trying to, and just when I had written a script to, much bigger scale film, Shashank has read the script already. It was more about the anger in me, because of what happened to Bhinna made me write that screenplay. And just when it had to go to the next level, this COVID thing happened. It's not just me; the whole world is struggling now. So, yeah, it's a long struggle, still going on.
That's interesting. So, Amrita, are you pursuing acting? I can't hear you.
Audio. Yeah. Now you can talk. We can hear you.
No, I'm not pursuing acting. No, I'm settled in Melbourne now with my husband, so I'm just working in a customer service in a private company.
That's acting only, no, when you're married, Amrita.
Good one, Shashank.
I mean, all relationships.
So
I'm acting a wife and a customer service professional.
Even that profession is also acting. Customer service.
So I smile at everyone who walk in.
I know. So I have a question. Okay, it's like a rapid, and you have to give me a rapid answer. So if you happen to choose one life, so I'll give you 3 options. You got to choose one life. Okay, what would it be? First one will be a theater artist with little pay but good job satisfaction. You're like pretty satisfied with the job that you do. Second one is an IT job with good amount of salary. Happy with the money. Third one is a serial actor, TV soap serial actor with an ongoing income. Not satisfied with the job, but at least you know that there is an incoming money all the time. Like, you know that there will be money. You will not be like, you can pay your bills. Okay, which one would you choose? First one is a theater actor. Sorry?
No, I said it's a tough one. I'm stuck in between 1 and 3 because I need to also survive. So you see, that's where I'm stuck with 1 and 3. So probably 1.
So a theater
So
actor.
theatre actor. Yeah.
Okay. I'm like shocked that you didn't choose 2 IT job.
No, I'm not into IT at all. I don't know even
Yeah.
nothing about IT.
That's
I'm just a
okay.
simple customer service job. I just manage a small office. That's it.
So same question goes to Shashank.
Well, the thing is, I've done all three.
Yeah,
First,
which
theater
one
I've
would you
done,
pick? Like,
which gave me a lot of satisfaction. Second, I've not been in an IT job, but I've been a business role player through theater for corporate companies, like all the
ah,
companies, a lot of companies,
okay.
which used to pay me good money, which I was
Mhm.
happy, because of which I could do theater. And TV serial, though I didn't, I got money and it was like happening every day. It gave me fame. So, of course, all this happened because of theater. So, that's number one.
Okay.
If I had not done so much theater, I wouldn't have been probably good enough to do the second and third job. Well, let's say.
Yeah, that's a good one. So Adarsh, coming back to you. So you
Mhm.
said money is not more important. It's the job satisfaction that you do. So
Yeah.
after Binna, did you go back and try to analyze what went wrong? Like, did you do that critical thinking sort of a thing?
I'm talking for all of us. Even Shashank has been involved in Binna from the writing stage. We have been talking about
Ah,
what he
I
wanted to
see.
do with this
Okay.
film. He was also the executive producer on the film, one of the executive producers. And even before the producers who finally invested in the film, they came on board. Me and Shashank had met so many other people to invest in the film. So even he knows, So there was, I think at some point later I'll talk about, what is that one thing that went wrong. Not right now, but yeah, one thing went wrong for sure. It was a big lesson for me. So going forward, I have to be a person who has complete control, even business-wise. I would sign up to a project, and the one of the main conditions would be that okay, I would be taking the call on what's going to happen to this film. That's the big lesson I learned from this film. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for that. The first thing that you have to start with your own movie, okay? You have to tell me one memorable thing that happened during Shuddhi.
All of us
Yes, each one
start
will
with
tell their own story, okay?
yeah. We'll start with Amrita.
Oh my God. Okay. What's a memorable thing? You mean while shooting
Shooting,
Shuddhi, is it?
yes.
Yeah, a lot of things. So as soon as I close my eyes, the what I can think of is sitting in a graveyard.
How is that
I don't know
memorable?
why I got that. I don't know why I got that. Like as soon as I
Why is
thought
that
about
memorable?
it, it's because I'd never been to one.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
I don't know. I mean, it's a flash. So
Sitting there and waiting for the shot. I remember that as well. You and
yeah.
Oh my
Nivedita.
God. Okay. How about you, Adarsh?
For me, uh, I think the lightning that we got in the film, you would have seen it in the film and also in the trailer of the film. There is a shot where there is a lightning. When Lauren gets a call, she looks back and then there is a lightning. That is one of the most memorable, you know, when you ask me satisfaction wise. There is also this, there are several sequences that were shot in the night, like the rain sequence when she kills the first guy. All those days were really hard when we were shooting it. But when I saw the output, I was so satisfied with the kind of effort that we put in to pull that off. So
Mm-hmm.
there are many, but I can talk about that one. I mean, that was one memorable, that lightning episode of what I just
Right.
mentioned. Yeah,
How about you,
most.
Shashank?
Well, I mean, the first most memorable thing I think for me is meeting Adarsh, making a friend. Of
Yeah,
course, others as well, but first Adarsh. And then mine is actually post the movie because, I, unlike,
I know what he's
the
talking about.
girls, they all, they traveled with the movie, right? Mine was pretty much all my shots were in either a set or in, all in Bangalore,
Mm.
like regular locations. Nothing, there was, I think they had more fun, all the team that traveled. But for for me, it was post, we were watching a show. We were going for theater visits. I think this was, and we went to Orion Mall one day. Last minute, we decided, last show, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋದ್ವಿ. Show ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. I mean, ದಿನಾ we were meeting people. It was really weird, because every show ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆಚೆ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಜನ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ. We would not go and introduce ourselves also. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, we are from the team, thank you. We just stand. If somebody recognizes, then everybody will come and talk.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ತಾಗಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪಟಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ so like that, but generally someone would recognize and then people would come talk to us. Then the other day, that show, we were standing outside, 3-4 of us, and Orion, people started coming out. They started letting people out. We were standing. People they came out. They were just looking. First batch of people that came out only. Nodadro. Then one of them recognized, came and spoke to us. They were talking. ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಇವರೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮು ಈ ತರ ಹಂಗೆ. They were like, really overpowered with the film. By those 2-3 minutes, the whole auditorium, which was a full house, was outside. And they were all standing around us. Yaru ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, but they were all standing. Suddenly, everybody started clapping. Just
Wow.
like it went on for like 40-50 seconds. They were just
Wow.
clapping.
Even now, I get goosebumps when I think of it.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm getting goosebumps imagining it. I wasn't there, but just imagining it, I'm getting goosebumps.
That is a moment. Yes.
it was not even in the theater, it is outside, so I don't know, I mean, that you can't, that is what
Yeah.
you live for, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we work for. I told you, right? I don't care about money. When I say I don't care about money, I mean, this is more important, The rest will
that
come.
one show, that's it. It's gone. It's finished. That did it for us.
I think with Shuddhi, there were so many. I mean, I had heard that people give standing ovations and clap for a film. I had never seen it. It was with Shuddhi. I mean, I'm not like being biased or something, but every show that I attended, I have seen the film about 15-20 times after it was out of theaters. There were so many shows that happened. There was a show that happened in Dasara Film Festival in Mysore, where even Shashank was a part of it. We all went there. Every show we went, there was going to be an applause for sure. And there were a few moments in the film as well when we used to get applause. Like, I may not be from here, but I belong to the same gender for that dialogue. And there is one Shashank's dialogue when he slaps a guy. All those moments we used to get applause, and it's something.
I haven't watched a lot of Kannada movies.
Yeah.
I started watching. I mean, something just created interest after watching Shuddhi.
Oh, wow.
And I watched it this lockdown. That actually this year's first Kannada movie was Shuddhi.
Nice.
Wow, that's amazing.
And then that's how I was like, oh really, Kannada movies are so amazing. Then I started watching more. And not everything I liked, but yeah, at least it created an interest.
Yes.
And I have a huge group. Okay, there is a app for like all the expats. It's called Homies. People in there have spoken about Shuddhi, by the way, and they're not Kannadigas.
Oh, nice.
They were Gujaratis, they were Punjabis, they were Bengalis.
Wow.
And they've seen the film.
Yes, they have seen the film. When they watch their own language, it's a different feeling. But when they watch some other language, and if it has touched them,
Correct.
that means you have done justice to each and everything. As a craft, as an artist, as a writer, as a director, I mean, that's a big deal.
Yeah.
So that's what this movie has crossed language, that barrier.
Yeah.
So yeah, I thought I should share this with you.
I was looking for Shuddhi hashtag. I mean, a few months ago, a Malayali guy had bought the rights for it to be screened in Japan. We didn't know it was for this. It was between the producer and him. And then I saw it on Twitter, and then now they are in touch with me directly. They said we'll also send you some audience response and all. We are excited for this.
Congratulations, guys.
Game time. Whose watch list it could be?
So the first one, Dia. Think-
Adarsh, maybe?
Amrita for sure.
Amrita.
Amrita for sure.
No. Why?
Amrita pakka.
Why? Tell me the reason.
ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಪಕ್ಕ
I know.
Amrita.
I know what reasons they would give.
No reason. I
Like,
just know it's an Amrita's
No,
film. I know.
not reasons. Yeah, but yeah.
It's Amrita's
Actually,
film.
yeah.
It's
When I
definitely
see-
Adarsh because it's I think his kind of movie. Like he watched Sthiti and which is not like a commercial movies. So he's always appreciated
It's
such
not.
movies.
It's not others because see, you know what, Asha, this is Amrita is going to lose because Adi and myself we know what we watch. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ
This is not fair.
ಅಮೃತ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
Okay. This is just trial round. Okay, wait for it. Hold on. This is a trial.
ಅಮೃತನಾ
Okay. How about this one? Who do you think might have watched this movie? Amrita, can you guess someone? Yeah,
Adarsh
Adarsh,
again?
all three of you all. You can just try, pick somebody.
Adarsh, I think, because Amrita is
Adarsh,
still
I
thinking.
think.
I think it's Shashank. Yeah, I think
Guys are
it's
so easy. Oh my god, you're
Well,
giving it
I've
away.
also seen it.
Shashank. But
I've
this
seen
list
it,
would
but
have
Adarsh also would have seen it.
this. I've seen the film, but a choice would be of Shashank is what I guess.
Oh my god, this is so easy.
It chose a wrong game.
Adarsh.
Adarsh.
This,
Definitely Adarsh.
No, this is Amrita.
Okay, this
This
is
is
not a game.
definitely
for-
Adarsh.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆದಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ
This is
ಶಾಸಕ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
definitely this is definitely Adarsh because I've heard him speaking about this movie like at least 50 times. Like me personally, I've heard it 50 times.
Okay.
Even in my
actually
I
I wanted to give this movie but it would have been obvious and I knew Adarsh should give it so I didn't give it.
Okay,
And
actually,
I thought Adarsh wouldn't give it because it will be obvious. I thought Adarsh wouldn't give it.
No, I gave like eight different films. I had to pick it between them, but yeah.
I know. I
ಏಟ್
think
5 ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು
ನಾನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 4 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಐ ಗೇವ್ 4 more.
it's not
Three
at
more
all.
films.
Okay, now tell me who might have given me this name.
What is
Adarsh.
this?
Uh,
Adarsh, yeah.
What ಅಷ್ಟೇ finish.
Adarsh.
What is this Amrita ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ that means it has to be Adarsh for me.
No, this is Amrita.
ಹೌದಾ?
Adarsh.
I'm sure it's Amrita.
Okay, then I think it's Amrita then. Correct.
Eh,
These two guys are teaming up. It's definitely
match
Adarsh.
fixing. I'm pretty sure this is match fixing.
Exactly.
ಏನ್ fixing
No,
ಇಲ್ಲ,
I
but
have seen this series. I have seen this series. I'm not saying I haven't watched it, but again, I think it's Amrita.
that's why I said
Okay.
Adarsh first because I know
I think
this.
Adarsh.
this is
for
not
I
the
haven't
game
seen
for you guys. I'm going to change the game. This is not at all the
Hello?
right game for you guys.
Wait, no, ಅದು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ.
Okay, this movie.
Adarsh.
Amrita.
Shashank. Okay, first time the three of us have given 3 different names.
ನೀವೇ ಆಶಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾರು.
Okay,
Or
take
is it
your
your
time.
is it
Take your time.
I
So,
think it's
answer.
Amrita.
Who's is it? Shashank, tell me one. Give me one answer.
Adarsh. Because he's continuously telling, I think it's Amrita, I think it's Adarsh.
I don't know. It could be Amrita also, but I just went with my.
Both their answers are switching. Mine, I'm being constant. It is Amrita.
I'm not sure, but I just picked Adarsh.
Now I feel you guys are playing me.
No. Unless you picked it.
Okay, tell me. Give me an answer.
Final answer Amrita.
Shashank.
Adarsh.
Okay, Amrita then.
Amrita.
Correct,
Adarsh.
Okay, finally. It's Adarsh.
yeah? It's Adarsh. Knew it.
Okay, so this one.
Adarsh.
Shashank. It's a guess,
Amrita.
but Shashank.
Amrita.
It's a guess for me also. I've seen it, but I'm sure all of
I've
us have
not
seen it. Oh, you've not seen?
No.
Yes.
Then it is
Are you,
Shashank.
are you acting? So then it's Amrita.
I've seriously not watched it.
Good job, Amrita. I like your acting.
Amrita. That's the clue. That is the clue. Asha is saying you're acting. So Amrita.
Shashank. I stick with Shashank.
Adarsh, what is your answer?
It is Shashank.
Okay, I'll change to Adarsh. Let's see which one is correct. all of us have different ones.
Okay, stick to one answer now.
Okay, Adarsh.
Shashank.
Shashank.
Okay, it is Adarsh. Okay, this one.
Ooh,
Adarsh.
Shashank.
Shashank.
Who's saying Adarsh here?
Adarsh, I said.
Okay.
Shashank is saying Adarsh. I'm saying Shashank.
And Amrita is saying?
Shashank.
Shashank.
Acha. So Amrita and Adarsh both are right.
Why you yaar bere yaar nodadilla idu?
It's, I'm feeling this is like there's
Why
a
Amrita
magic
picked
thing.
me?
Okay, this final movie.
Amrita.
Adarsh.
Katha Sangama. Shashank.
I've definitely watched it, but it's Adarsh.
Actually, sorry. Actually, this one minus point should go to Asha.
Why is it a wrong one?
You picked the new Katha Sangama. I was talking about Putana Kanagal's Katha Sangama.
Wrong question.
Wrong
Yeah,
question.
wrong question. Yeah. So it's equal distribution of points to all of us.
Yeah,
Points
all of
to
us.
me.
Equal distribution. She loses. Asha loses.
Okay.
She's the.
Chill madi.
So basically, there is a Katha Sangama. This Katha Sangama is inspired in its title by the original Katha Sangama, which was made by Putana. And which was also one of the first films Rajnikant acted in. Small role, like a villain he plays.
Okay.
It's a collection of 4 short films. Avaga, he did this, imagine. He did a collection, like how this Katha Sangama has 7 films. There were 4 or 5, I think 4 short films in that. And I don't know.
Okay. So
He was a genius.
Yeah, I had no clue about it though.
No, that's okay. It's good to.
Okay.
Somebody will get to know.
Yeah. So now I wanted to know what you guys are up to. Like, let's say the lockdown gets lifted and then we all come back to our normal lives. What projects do you have in line? Are you thinking of any projects or like still in the pipeline?
I have one which I've written. I told you, right? But that's a pretty big project. I mean, I don't know. We have to wait for the vaccination, and also things will have to become more normal than what it is right now. It is not normal anyway. But it requires a bigger crew and all that. So I think I'll have to wait it out for at least, I don't know, like 8 months, 10 months, or 1 year. I don't know. But I don't want to compromise on the scale of the film. So I have to wait. So in the meantime, I'm trying to write something smaller which can be shot with a minimal crew, given the situation right now. Several ideas have been developing, but nothing is going beyond a point. So I'm in that process right now.
And Amrita, you said that if you get a chance, you would, at least try, and get into acting. Do you like audition for it, or do you do something about the thought, or do you think someone would basically come to you and ask for, okay, would you like to be part of our project, something like that? What is your plan?
To be honest, there is no plan as such.
Okay.
So, because all these days, because after we shot Shuddhi is when I moved to Australia. So since then, it's only been, it's more like settling up, finding. Initially, it was just survival for, finding a job and, juggling around between 2 to 3 like casual jobs to just for survival, and then it's now come to a point where we are just settling in. So we haven't had a chance or time to invest on uh, different interests as such. So I'm not very sure, but maybe I will see. I mean, I've not had thought about it. I mean, it's there somewhere in the corner of my mind, but I've not started, tickling
Not
it
started
or
working on it. Yeah.
yeah. So let's see. Even I'm not sure.
How about you, Shashank? I know you said that you've been talking to somebody from Mumbai and all that, but
No, that was, I used to go give auditions, but then, of course, there was a couple of things I was shortlisted for, but of course, nothing is happening. So I don't know if the thing is, see, I mean, you have to again redo the same process because no one's going to. In Bombay, there are thousands like me. You have to keep going and doing it for people to remember you. But anyway, that's not going to happen till the law, for a while.
Yeah.
And there have been a couple of projects. There's one which interesting one. There's a couple which I'm working with Adarsh Sean, and hopefully, maybe one I might produce it. One, and then there's something which I'm writing as well. There's a web series which I'm looking for producers, but Kannada web series. But again, I don't know when that's going to happen.
do you know what genre it is? Like, do you want to say
It's a
what
thriller.
genre it is?
It's a thriller.
Thriller. Okay. Hey, all your movies are thrillers?
Murder crime. Kind of, actually. The last 3 films actually are.
Yeah. Interesting.
The
You should
last
try some comedy too.
Theater I've done comedy, but Adi, you should get the right kind of
Script.
roles and script. No?
Yeah. That's the thing. And
Because you can't do this. I mean, if you ask me to go play a caricature like how everybody does, like how Sadhu Kokila does or Rangana Raghu does, I can't. Agala. I mean, Adana. Well, there's no point in doing something like that. I don't see,
Did you like any?
Or if I do it with ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ. For that I'm ready to sell my soul to do all this. But ಅದು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Did you like any comedy movies that is released recently? Anything that you want to pick on? Comedy
in Kannada. In any language. Wait, I'm trying to think. See, the Kannada, the last I remember was Ondu Motteya Kathe. Hindi, actually in Hindi, I randomly saw one film many months back, Stree. It was pretty funny actually, and I expect Madlila. There are stereotypes and caricatures, but it's pretty funny. That was very funny.
How about you, Adarsh?
I saw this film called Come As You Are on Netflix very recently.
I think I saw that.
It's about three disabled people who go on a road trip to lose their virginity.
I've not seen the film, but I've heard of it.
It's brilliant. That's one of them, and I recently watched this Malayalam film, Thondi Muttalam Drikshakshiyum. Brilliant film.
Thondi?
It's about a guy who Fahad Fasil is the character, one of the leads in the film. He feels a change.
Malayali? I don't know the movie. I'm sorry.
It's a brilliant film. I watched 3 films back to back after that. There's another film called Nan Prakashit, Malayalam film. And then there is Kumbalangi Nights.
Kumbalangi Nights is good.
I loved all. I mean, I'd heard a lot about Malayalam films, but I had never watch them. But after I watched that first one, I watched the other two as well.
My brother reviews Malayalam movies actually, so he keeps sending
Oh.
me all the things. Watch this, and I don't watch it.
I think they are at the top. I think they are at the top even more than Bollywood.
Again, question to you, Amrita. Any comedy movies that you've seen recently that you really love?
The most recent movie that I watched was Hindi, the Shakuntala Devi.
She's a Kannadiga. India only they take a Kannada character and shoot it in Hindi. I just didn't feel like watching it. I mean,
Shashank, is there any movie that you watched recently from Kannada that you felt, I wish I was part of this project?
the last I felt was about Titi.
Ah,
Though I don't think I fit anywhere. But I felt ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅದೇ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ
the
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Could have been a part of.
amazing. I love the concept that they have. The Titi. No, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Correct.
Very nice.
Oh, there's a Kannada connection here also. I'm in Locarno, where Titi one came into the limelight after winning the Golden
Yeah.
Leopard at the Locarno Film Festival.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Shuddhi is all about this proverb. World suffers a lot, not because of the violence of bad people, but because of the silence of good people. That is Shuddhi.
So much. Means a lot.
Yeah.
So this is what Shuddhi spoke to me, and really I'm so happy that I'm able to talk to you guys and see how you look at an art, a beautiful story, and you're part of that. It's like a movement. So all the best, whatever you do, you should do whatever like Shashank said, let your heart speak. So that's where I stop this meeting, and I hope you all the very best for all the things that would come up. I'm pretty sure to 2020 I don't have a lot of hopes, but at least 2021 should bring in a lot of things. So
Thank you for your time, and thank you for bringing us together as a team.
Yeah, it was fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoyed it after a long
happy
time.
Dasara
Good to
to
have.
all of you all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wish you the same.